Come test drive 2021 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.